Welcome to my next video. In this video, I will talk about PTSD, which stands for Post Traumatic Stress Disorder. I will explain you this picture after uh, telling you the points of PTSD. What happens in PTSD is there is a exposure to some kind of trauma. Okay, this trauma can be witnessing somebody's death, okay, experiencing serious injury or rape. So this trauma which the patient has experienced are serious types, okay, and because of this, after witnessing this serious types of trauma, the patient experience persistent hyperarousal, there is a hyperarousal, avoidance of that situation or the stimuli, re-experiencing the events, that means they have flashbacks, okay, and mood changes. Mostly they have fear, horror, or distress about their situation. You can remember this symptoms by remembering this mnemonic hard, and the symptom is important to remember. And this all of the symptoms should last for more than 1 month to be called as PTSD, and it should affect the socio-economic life of the patient. So now how can we treat those patients? By psychotherapy, that is CBT, we can give SSRIs and venlafaxine. These are the first line drugs for PTSD. So this is PTSD in nutshell. Now let me explain you with the example. Consider this is a man who likes to visit beaches more often, and he was a good swimmer. Okay, but one fine day, what happened to him is when he was swimming, the shark came and frightened this fellow. Okay, so he was saved. Luckily, he was saved by the rescue team, but after that he always avoid going to beaches, okay, and fears and from that day he always get frightened of sharks and water. So he whenever he was asked to let's by his friends that let's go to beaches, what he says that he can't visit beaches, shark eats you. Okay, so he has got frightened because of the shark attack. So now what he will do is he will avoid this place. Okay, he will now avoid going to beaches, and whenever somebody will ask him that let's visit those places, he will tell them that he won't be able to visit. Okay, so what he will do is he will avoid the places. Then whenever he will be asked, then there is a hyper arousal, that is and he will re-experience those moments. Okay, so he will remember that yeah, shark has attacked him. Okay, and because of this there occur mood changes. Okay, there will be he will have fear, horror, or distress, and this all symptoms will cause anxiety in him and will affect his day to day life. We can take the example of the soldier, okay, who has witnessed so many death, and now he resigned resigned from his duty, and now spending his time in the village. Okay, so because of that traumatic event, he just left his job. Okay, because he could not witness those events again, and uh, the memory of these events, even this memory of this death event, to make him hyper arousal and causes fear in him. Okay, so there should be some uh, serious type of trauma, then only this will be called PTSD.